Okay, so how do I add a half wall to my bathroom? So we've got a very basic plan here already to start us off with. What you want to do is go to the add item menu, and then you can search, or if you scroll down to structure, you're looking for the obstruction or half wall item. Here we go. So you can add that wherever you want it, change its kind of depth and width, and you can see the kind of distance that you're leaving to get into the shower there. Now if I go to view this top wall, I can see the half wall here, the shower in the background, and actually there's a bunch of things in the foreground. So I'm going to adjust the visibility depth down so that I can just concentrate on planning this kind of shower area. If you're going to tile this half wall, you can click on the wall and then the decor menu open. You can open that from the paint bucket icon, sorry, and you can choose your tiles. Go for vertically stacked. The tiles patterns, of course, if there's something that's missing, we can always add a new tile pattern for you. But you can also go in and then choose a color, so go for dark green. And that's your kind of half wall tiled. And if you wanted to tile the shower wall as well, that's what you would use this decor menu for. So that decor menu here is for the wall itself. So yeah, choose the tiles, and then you can choose however much of the wall you're wanting to tile. Kind of, it doesn't have to be the whole thing, it could just be half or whatever. Choose that color again, and then yeah, you can see, we want this half wall tiled as well as the wall behind it fully tiled or not. And yeah, that's how to add a half wall to a bathroom.